Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling an Oracle database error that might have frustrated you at some point. So, you're writing a query, expecting smooth execution, and suddenly, boom, you get this error. Aura 00932, inconsistent data types, expected, got CLOB. Oracle is strict about data types. This error occurs when you try to use mismatched data types in a query. Another common mistake, trying to compare or convert a CLOB to a varchar2 or number directly. How to fix it? Step 1. Check the data types. Run the following query to inspect your table structure. Step 2. Use proper conversions. If you are dealing with a varchar2 column and comparing it with a number, use. Step 3. Change the data type if needed. If you have control over the schema, changing the data type may help. But be careful, it may affect existing data.